Enhance your style, comfort, and performance when you're BMXing with this silhouette from Vans. This style is ready for biking with its upper made of a durable leather, using soft suede with some canvas underlays to keep it breathable and strong throughout. It has reinforced DURACAP toe across the front, adding high wear durability in the toe, as well as in the sidewalls to give it great support all the way around so it stays very sturdy when you're shredding. It has a traditional lace-up to keep it secure, and the inner lining is a very plush textile that stays very secure all the way around your foot with the perfect fit. The POPCUSH foam footbed in the bottom has lots of energy return, ready to keep you incredibly comfortable as you're enjoying your day, and it does have a reinforced rubber outsole that's made with the waffle cup BMX design, ready to really dig down into those pegs to keep you secure, and it also has a bit of flex throughout.